and things move from one station to the next station, and the specialization of labor at each station.
Yes. Okay,
So these are the principles that actually matter.
And that's what you guys kind of solve by doing the tents first, because you could just willy-nilly rearrange things, see how things are actually falling, see what order things are going in.
But the tents were very inefficient once you know what you want to build.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
So it was your 5-step thing of don't get too far along in the automation before you.
Yeah, you don't know what you're going to build.
Yep.
Like, it's difficult to convey just how much, like, this is, we don't even know what the rocket would look like.
Yeah. Yeah.
So.
And in some senses, you still don't necessarily know. It's still changing.
At this point, we're confident that this architecture is at least one of the solutions.
Yeah.
That's not to say there couldn't be other solutions like the one you talked about, but that this will work.
Yeah.
It's just a question of ironing out the bugs and improving the performance of everything from the engines to the avionics to the primary structure, the heat shield, everything.